Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Chef Puff in the house. All right, today we're doing pasta. I'll be cooking the fresh pasta. But if you look over here, this pasta was made by my wife. I didn't make this pasta. All right, and it's incredible that she made anything. All right, because she don't like to cook, but she did it. She did it. Okay. But anyway, this pasta takes a few seconds to cook. So what I'm gonna do, put it in. All right, and let it do its thing. Where's my spoon? Let it do its thing. It just takes a few minutes to cook. All right, and then after I cook this, I'm going to take it out and I'm putting it into a strainer, and then I'm going to run it under cold water to shock it. All right, I'll show you my process. It's very simple, but you have to keep checking it. You gotta keep checking it. Gotta keep checking it. Not yet. I can feel it. Yeah, but one thing about the pasta that it does foam up a lot. It does foam up a lot because of the starch, the flour that's in it. Not yet. All right, so let me finish this up and I'll be right back. Hey, hello everybody. Okay, the pasta's done. I'm going to basically pour it into the strainer. All right. Homemade pasta. All right. Where's my spoon? Can't leave no noodles behind. Get a little bit out of there. All right, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to shock it in cold water. And also, I did season the water with pink Himalayan salt, so it has some type of flavor to it. All right. Right, I made enough for 2 people. All right, that should be cold enough there. Yes. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer it to the pot. Okay, to the pot. All right. Now, I can start adding the rest of my ingredients. All right, what I want into it. And my wife loves this sauce here. It does taste really good. All right. Walmart, is that correct? Walmart. All right. So I'm going to add some sauce to it. All right. And just mix it up. Easy peasy. Homemade spaghetti. All right. And also, I have a half a pork tenderloin going. All right, that I already pre-seasoned a while ago. Took it out the freezer, and I'm sautéing it at 129 degrees for 1 hour. Okay. Turn some heat up on here. Okay, so basically, I'll be back when I start the plate. Hey, what's up, everybody? All right, basically the spaghetti is done. The homemade spaghetti is done, and right now I have the pork tenderloin in the sous-vide. An hour has passed. It is ready now. All right. So basically, I'm going to take it out of the water bath. I'm going to try to retrieve it with my fingers, which is very hot. Okay. Now, what I have to do, open up the bag. Get it out of the bag. Okay. Now what I have to do, I have to pat it dry. I got to get this tenderloin dry. Because right now I have some oil on the stove heating up where that I have to sear it off to give it some color. It might not look pretty now, but it's going to taste good and it's going to look pretty after I finish with it. Try to pat it dry as much as I can. All right. Let me turn some sheen off. All right. And now, what we're going to do, all right, we're going to take it over to the stove and there we go. Now remember, I'm only giving it color. So all I'm doing, I'm not cooking it because it's already cooked. I'm gonna give it a nice good crust on it. Just let it sit there. It's gonna stick a little bit, but that's okay. It will release. It doesn't take a long time to cook it. So like I said, not cook it, but give it some color. All right. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Look how beautiful that is. Yeah, just let it go. Just let it go. Don't even touch it, you know. You just give it a color, give it a nice good crust on it. All right. It's already cooked through. All right. It's very tender. When I picked it up, you can feel the tenderness. All right. And there is no need for you to let your meat sit when you sous vide it. There's no need to let it sit. You know, and let the juices go back into the meat. No, not with the sous-vide method. Oh, look at that. I want to do all sides. Once again, I'm going to finish searing this pork tenderloin, and I'll be right back. Hey, everybody. Okay. Pork loin is basically seared off on all sides. All right, a little char is good. Changes the flavor profile. All right. So what I'm gonna do now, take it out. Let me get rid of this hot skillet. All right. Now, what I need to do, get me a nice sharp knife. Okay. Get me a nice sharp knife here. Gotta take a few pictures there. All right. All right, now I'm gonna cut into it. I'm gonna cut into it now. See what we're looking at here. Woo, she hot. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to exaggerate. But, oh my God. I'm not going to be rude. Give a piece to the camera wife.
Thank you.
Oh. This is really good. This is really, really good. Well, I'm going to set up a plate and show you what the plate is going to look like in a few minutes. What's up, everybody? Okay, my dinner is basically prepared, and here's the final product here. Okay, we have the homemade spaghetti. We got homemade cornbread that was left over from the other day, and we have Sous-Vide pork tenderloin. Okay, and we have a salad. I will put more videos out on the machine that I used to make the homemade pastas. All right, but I definitely will put more videos out on it. All right, it's a very simple machine to use, and also more videos on the Sous-Vide method. Okay, more information to people that does not know about it. Once again, it's a French technique of cooking food. It's in a water bath, in an airtight sealed bag, at a certain temperature. All right, and your food just comes out so wonderful. But anyway, here's the final product, and me and my camera wife is gonna get our grub on. And thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up, and I also want to say thank you for watching Cooking with Chef Puff, and I'll see you later.